Have you not wobbled off your chair?
So we're headed into Perth today and I just wanted to show you my outfit. Just gone for a cute little play suit today. Backpacks, I've got my drone, my sunglasses on, earrings, little necklace, and I do have my magnetic pendant on. Actually, our last full day here today. We fly to Sydney tomorrow. I'm sad but also so excited. We're going to go to our favourite little spot for coffee before we head into Perth, just for a nice fun day. It's so hot today.
I've just walked to the coffee shop. I'm dripping.
It's like 5 minutes, yeah, last day in Perth. Hottest we have experienced. And of course we've planned a day out.
Cheers. No, I didn't say drink, I love you. Lou just said that we need to finish directing instructions to each other with thank you, I love you. And it does make sense because sometimes we're both quite demanding of the other person. The other person's just kind of getting on with their day, and then all of a sudden the other person will just be like, just stop. I need to get a shot of us walking in that direction.
It's vlog central here today.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
What have we brought out with us?
What do you mean it's vlog central?
1, 2, 3 cameras, 2 mics, 2 drones, 2 tripods, and some accessories. We had a little look, it's like 36 degrees today, just for reference, which I'm sure the Australians are used to, but we are not. We just stopped at Kings Park because, well, number one, it's stunning and we really enjoyed it the last time we came, so we wanted to come again and we wanted to take some drone shots. There's the most beautiful view of the city and also the park itself is gorgeous. It's beautiful. It is hot today, so I'm just laying, but even just laying is sweat inducing.
bed at 5 AM last night again. I'd love to be able to get one. How do you not wobble off your chair? What's John Smooth? Hot.
Yeah.
Hot, yeah.
So I actually just really wanted to quickly show you the UGG store here. Obviously UGG is Australian and it's like quite a big thing in the UK. The UGG store here is like, I don't know, I guess it kind of shows you like where UGG came from. This is in Yeeland and Court, and obviously they do the boots and everything, but they also do like loads of sheepskin stuff, so it's just like has a way more traditional feel. I'll show you. Josh really likes boats and he's decided today that we should have gone on the ferry. It goes from Elizabeth Quay to the other side of Perth without really knowing like where the ferry goes or how we're going to get home. It's okay.
Sometimes you need to not know where you're going.
Yeah.
Are you enjoying the journey?
Yeah.
There we go.
So we're off the ferry and we're in South Perth, so we're like kind of just over the river, sort of near where the Perth Zoo is. So we're just going to have a little look around before we actually head home. We're just going to get an Uber home, and we are technically a little bit closer, but still quite far from home. So, but it is beautiful over here. It seems like a really cool place to live, and then be able to kind of just get the ferry over into the city.